Hey guys, this is Mountain Duck. Today we are going to design a login screen by using 8 different principles of UI as well as UX. I hope you all know all those principles, but if you don't know more principles, then stay tuned and stay connected with me. I'll show you how to use all those principles and create login screen for your app. If you are new to this channel and want to see some more updates, videos like this, then do subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon. So let's get started. Before I jump into the design tool and start designing the final layout, I always prefer to design few quick rough sketches of a layout. Those options give me an idea how my layout will look like. I can easily see how many parts my layout will be divided, what content I am going to add into it, what content I missed, or if I have to organize the layout properly. So it gives me a quick and efficient ideas. I always prefer this method and always trying to suggest this method to each and every UI designer. Rule number 1: use of branding. Your login page is more than just a gateway to your app. Basically, it's an invitation for user to return. If you want your user to feel not only welcome but also reassured that they are in the right place without any doubts or without any confusion, then the solution is integrate your product branding seamlessly onto the login page. Here, if you can see, I have kept the brand colors, character styles, icons, imaginaries, whatever been used by the brand. I have kept all those things in the document asset section, and by using this, I can quickly design my UI. Rule number 2: keep it simple or minimal. Your login screen plays a crucial role. Basically, when user land on your login page, clarity is paramount for them. They should know immediately where to input their information. Typically 1 or 2 fields and a clear login button is sufficient. As you can see here, I have used 4 grid layout to keep it minimal and simple. Also, I have started with adding some rough parts. Means I will create parts of my layout. In the topmost part, I will add the product logo. In the center part, I will use the content like login and other infos. So here you can see, as I have taken a logo. Currently this is my own logo which I am using to design a login screen. Then I created a button and just duplicated it to make it input text field for email and password. Then I started adding some content text like title text for explore the journey, explore the beauty of journey, and another sub content like travel around the world with just a tap. So this is just text I added. So rule number 3: ask for email instead of the username. User identification, it's more convenient for user to recall their email address since user already have to remember a password. So simplifying the login process by eliminating the need for a separate username enhance the usability. Rule number 4: easy password. So give an ability to your user to make an easy password so they can they should not forget for a long time, or should not waste their much of the time to create a password. It could be irritable for them. So several things to consider while creating a good UX. Password entry may seem straightforward, but achieving optimal UX involves careful consideration. One crucial decision is whether to display or mask the password during the entry. Revealing it can prevent errors and streamline the login process. Rule number 5, let them remember. So allow your user to skip logging process. So whenever they come back again, means if they are coming again and again on your website or the app, so allow them to skip the login process. Remembering lots of password can be hard, right? So next time your visitor come back, they won't need to remember their password. It will already be saved and ready to go for them, so they can easily enter to the application or the website. Then rule number 6, help when forgot password. Some users are going to forget their password, so a quick and convenient password recovery feature is a must on your login screen. The password recovery button doesn't have to be prominent. A small clear text link will work, which can send a password reset link to their email or phone. So here, if you can see, I'm just looking for the icon, checkmark icon for the remember me. As I have downloaded the icon for design plugin in the plugin section of Adobe XD, and I got this circular checkmark icon which I added, and now I'm doing some alignment with the layout as well as with the text. This is a rough layout I'm working on. Slowly we'll work on we'll start adding brand colors to the layout, brand colors for the background or the text, or we'll use elements as well for the as per the branding. So here's the rule number 7, separate sign up and login. So login and sign up are a different process. You sign up only once, but you log in every time you visit. Your login screen should be just for people who have been here before. By keeping them separate, we make sure it's easier and nicer for everyone. That's why we put them on different page. Now here I am creating a text link for the sign up. Just by clicking on sign up text, user will redirect to the another page. There they will get multiple input text to fill, the multiple option to fill the form for the sign up, and they get registered with the brand. And next time when they come back on the login screen, they'll just have to log in again, and they will not go to sign up again and again every time. This is just a one time action user has to do here. Rule number 8, external login, or we can say allow login with other account. You should consider allowing users to make use of it on your app or on your website. Again, this is all about reducing frictions. It's faster and doesn't require an additional password to recall. Given this popularity to your user, sign in with Google or Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter is usually a good call. Means when user click on login with Google or login with Facebook, they don't have to fill the other info into the input text field. They just click on it on the button and get into the application. Now here, if you can see, we are almost done with our layout of the login screen. I have just added the brand color to the background as well as to buttons and the content text. Now it's time to do some final alignment or the restructure or structurized final UI. So if talking about the alignment, why we should do alignment of UI, So basically alignment is essential for UI as it helps organize elements and improve reading or the give an ability a proper visibility to your UI, and your users can interact with the UI properly. So that's why alignment is so important. They provide visual structure to our design, making them logical and consistent across different platforms and devices. Since one of the main goal of UX or the UI design is to improve the usability so that user can have a better experience, alignment is so important for digital product basically. uh, the structure and organization of interface element are indispensable for a good user experience. When we look at organized element, we can easily find what we are looking for. For example, think of your decks or the cloths in your wardrobe. If they are not aligned properly or not keeping well properly, so you can't find the, the thing what you wanted on that moment, right? So alignment contributes to the aesthetics of digital products, which is great. Okay, so by using 8 rules of UI, we are almost done designing our login screen. So please do let me know how you like, what you like, or what are things you prefer to be there in the video. So that will help me to some more improvement in our creating videos. So please let us know. Thanks from Team Mountain Ducks.